Another beautiful day. Hot out. Not real hot, hot.
It's summer. The first day of summer, really. First full day,
Beans are up, corn's up.
finally.
A day without rain. And not enough rain to do Dano's challenge properly.
We'll get it.
Yep. We'll be back. Well, today we made an awful hot fire, so we need a better spatula, I guess you'd say. So you grab your piece of wood that you know isn't toxic, because certain pieces of wood are. I don't know which ones, I just know which ones aren't. There, that's a good start. I always like to go beyond the heartwood on one side. Because it's pithy. You got to remember, guys, this is a one-time use tool. You should only use wood utensils once because they hold bacteria. So you make them, you throw them out when you're done.
You'll burn them.
Clean up the edge a bit. And you're wondering why I made it so long. Well, hot fires. Simple. The further away you are from being burnt, the better it is. It doesn't have to look good. It just has to be effective. So you want a little thinner edge, right? It can be thicker down there. And yes, I intentionally put a knot in the middle of it. Why? I don't care. Now let's make the handle a little bit more comfortable. I don't expect most people to be able to do what I'm doing with an axe, because I've been doing this for years. And I know my tools. Well, you left a big end on it. Well, yeah, I'll show you why. That's good enough for me. Want to just tidy up the edges a little bit with your knife, you can. Doesn't have to be pretty. You're good to go. And my hands are almost a foot away from the fire. Reason I left it with the nub? I can hang it up. Bye for now. So yeah.
Hey guys, hope you liked it. Short and sweet. If you liked it, make sure you click the like button. And if you want to see more, get updated, subscribe. We like subscribers. We like comments. Make sure you leave comments. It's always nice to hear what everybody thinks. And we don't know unless you say something. And
I got nothing. I did the opening. You got to do the closing.
so we'll see you next time. And thanks for watching.
Bye for now.
Bye. There's a jungle out there.
It's a tick haven. We'll check you for ticks. Or did I do that already? I'll have to check you again.